I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Oh, come on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Happy hump day. I got the garage door open and you might be hearing my neighbor mow his lawn because it's an absolutely gorgeous day finally, and I'm going to go mow my lawn here in a little bit. I wanted to do a frame and build overview for you of a new one that I've been waiting for a while. I actually ordered it from the UK and from Quad Frames UK and United Kingdom, for those of you that watch Bardwell. And it is the SXQ5 Stretched X frame. Blech, it's a mouthful. Here it is. Bam! And I already built it because you know me, I can't wait. Anyway, it actually has a pod that goes on here that you can print. It does not come with it. I got enough pod stuff, so I kept this one kind of neutral. It's got this really cool serrated looking edge, good protection. I've got one of those wide ass fox ear Predators in there with pretty extreme angle on there. Let's see what the specs are on this thing. I can't even remember now. Looks like 4 mil. Yep, 5 mil carbon, and we got 3 across the top. Yeah, pretty tough. I really like, this is one thing I do like a lot about frame designs. Damn it. Like this. You can put all your gear in there and they leave you a place for the damn strap. I like that. It's just, I know it's a little thing, but it's cool. So that's neat. What we've got in here, I put in the CL Racing F4 soft mounted. I had a ton of room in here, so I gave it a little bit of a boost. Put my XM Plus receiver underneath it. T-motor 40 amp BL Heli. Can't remember if these are 32s. I can't remember, honestly. And Deadpool returner R5 2306 2450 kVs. Thing should haul ass. Again, fox ear Predator. Ran my antenna tubes out the back like I do with my Mocha Griffs. What else can I say about this thing? It is made very, very well. I like the carbon. Now, one thing I did not like about it is it had those inset, one of those hammer nuts that go into the frame where you stick the screw through there and you thread it through. Those sucked. They stripped out like that. I just took them out and I put nuts on, you know, just good old-fashioned nuts. A double ply or double layer board here. The other cool thing about this frame, and I suppose my fucking Allen wrench is in the house, it is, you undo these 2 screws right here and the whole canopy lifts up like a hood, like on a funny car. So it's very, very cool. Running a TBS VTX in there as well. The thing's bad to the bone. It is really nice. Let's see what it weighs on the scale that tells no lies. Only fibs a little. Again, this came from the UK. I think it was about 70 pounds, whatever the hell that is. Grams, all up weight, 317. It's a freestyle bird, but I think it's fucking sweet. Very respectable. So, without further ado, I really like the way this is inset. This piece of carbon in here is inset a little bit. Perfect width for a full-size VTX, which is right underneath here. Got a place for your SMA, obviously, which is nice. Lots of camera angle you can achieve with this. Protected on the camera. The carbon fiber is chamfered on all the edges, nice and smooth. So, yeah, I'm impressed. It's a very, very cool-looking frame. The pod that you can print out for it is pretty cool, but it's not a full pod. It does not replace this. It just bolts into here. It looks like a little shark fin thing. That's why I didn't really worry about it. It's not a big deal. But anyway, yeah, very, very cool. Very solid frame. I like the form factor of it. Pretty cool. So let's put a strap and a battery on this piggy and go to JJ's cheap ass hat cam, and let's do a little bit of a fly. Bam, be right back. All right, kids, JJ's cheap ass hat cam. So here we go. We're just gonna do some angle pop tests on this thing and see what she does. So should be pretty good. Not too windy, nice sunny day. Bam. Ooh, no smoke. Beautiful. Check our motor beeper. All right, here we go. Nice. Wow, quick. Let's see what our yaw looks like. This is running butterfly, by the way. Wow. Stupid fast. A lot of people out walking today and don't want to scare anybody. Wow. That is awesome. Just a little bit of line of sight, nothing fancy. All right. Get a good look at her hovering here. We're at about not even a quarter throttle and it's hovering. Nice. All right. Keep shiny side up, kids. Bam.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.